Welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through an overview of DJI Dock 2 and HubX, how they work together plus the benefits HubX introduces. For those of you who don't know what HubX is, it is our in-house developed portable and self-sustaining drone platform designed to augment drone dock systems like the Dock 2 and enable you to collect aerial data with a click of a button. HubX includes its own power and data connection, allowing Dock 2 to be positioned in a remote location without any infrastructure and operated from our Sydney-based remote operations center. Our team can plan, deploy and monitor operations with the Dock 2 and Matrice 3D series to ensure clients receive the data remotely required for decision making. HubX features a watchtower with situational awareness sensors and cameras, including an ADS-B receiver for airspace monitoring and 360-degree cameras for improved situational awareness. Stay tuned for our next video in the series where we will cover the DJI Matrice 3D.